You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. In English, the pronunciation is usually as Jeannie, but in French, the pronunciation, the name comes from Jean, which is Jane in French, and is pronounced as Jeannie, Jeannie. So Jeannie would be the equivalent in English. Jeannie is how it's usually said in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.